welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, make sure you go and hit the subscribe button down below before you get started watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best iced latte at home. It is my favorite recipe and I just love it so much, and I use my Nespresso. You guys know, if you guys have been watching my videos, I recently got a new Nespresso and I'm obsessed with it. You can make espresso shots, you can use the espresso shots to make different drinks or just drink it as a regular espresso shot. They have the regular coffee pods, they have the Gran Lungo pods, so they have a great assortment of different things. And I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite iced latte recipe. It's the perfect day to have an iced drink today. It is like 50 degrees out, it feels like spring, so I'm going to be showing you guys my recipe. I don't have the milk out and everything. I'm going to be showing you guys step to step how I make it, but I just want to show you guys what I use to put all my pods in. So I have this jar. It seems like there's a lot in here, but honestly the jar gets a little bit narrow. So I'm going to be using these two right here. So these two are the espresso pod that I chose, and I used two because I want like a bigger drink, I guess you could say, like a grande. And I'm going to be using my reusable Starbucks tumbler. I have the lid right here. I just washed it out just to make sure it's all nice and clean, but I love this reusable tumbler. It is perfect, and it is perfect for an iced drink. It even has the lines if you guys, want to measure and everything. So the two pods I'm going to be using are right here. They're the purple ones. They are called Altisio. They are so amazing. The flavor of it is really nice, really smooth. The intensity, I believe, of this one is a 9. I don't have the box with me anymore, but I'll insert a picture of the box and the intensity of it. But this is my favorite espresso pod, if you guys are wondering. And like I said, I'm going to be using two because I want a bigger drink. If I was just having like a small in a little cup, I would just use one because they are pretty strong, but I'm going to be putting a lot of milk, so it kind of like balances out. The most important part is I'm going to be using this syrup right here. I got it from Starbucks, and you literally just ask them, do you have any more vanilla, or whatever pump you guys are interested in trying. I just got the vanilla flavored syrup, and I don't go crazy with this. I literally only use it for some drinks. For my other drinks I just use a little spoon of sugar, but you can get any other like syrup. It doesn't have to be the Starbucks one. You can get it from Walmart, Costco, anything. You can look online, Amazon, but this is just the one that I'm going to be using today, and I don't go crazy with it. I know it's not the best alternative and it's not the healthiest, but trust me, I don't put a lot at all. I'm gonna go grab some ice and grab my milk so I can show you guys, and we're gonna get on with this video. I hope you guys all enjoy. I just went and filled my cup with ice. As you can see, I am not the biggest ice person. I don't need a lot of ice, so I do light ice. And even when I go to order stuff, I always make sure I say light ice, because what they do is they pour like the whole cup with ice and you're getting less coffee. So I just put a little bit of ice, and this is the milk I use. I use the Planet oat milk. I love oat milk so much. I used to drink almond milk, but oat milk is like way better for me. And this is just the extra creamy original one, so it doesn't have any flavor. Like I know they have vanilla milks and all that stuff, but this is just the original. So I'm going to use this, and the first step I'm going to be doing is frothing my milk, and we're gonna head over to like my coffee station where I make everything. So I'm going to froth it cold. The great thing about the Arancino that came with my Nespresso is you can choose to either froth your milk hot or for cold drinks, which is amazing. So you're still getting the foam, but you're not just pouring your coffee into your drink. I mean, you're not pouring just your milk into your drink. So I love foam. And then I'm going to also show you guys how much I'm going to be pouring. So let's go and switch locations. So like I said before, since I am having the two shots, I'm going to pour the milk up to the second line. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it right here. So I'm going to pour my milk. Oops, I just spilled a little bit. Take my lid, and to get the cold froth, you hold it down a little longer and it turns blue. So this is now going to start frothing. It's really, really quick, and it's like perfect, actually perfect timing. So I'm gonna let this froth, and then I'm not gonna start brewing my espresso pods just yet. You guys will see what I'm gonna do next. So while my milk is frothing, I'm going to empty this out and put in some fresh new water, because it's not good to just keep reusing the same water over and over. Make sure you guys are cleaning this out. So I'm gonna go and add some water so that I can be prepared to start the espresso when I need to. Now that the milk is completely done, it just stops like that, I'm going to add my syrup and then pour the milk on top. So I only do 2.5 pumps of the vanilla syrup, and that's like the perfect amount for me. I don't like it too sweet. I know in Starbucks they actually put a lot, and after getting the app, when you try to modify it, you can see how much they're actually putting into your drink, and it really is a lot. So I'm just going to be doing 2.5 pumps, and don't get me wrong, I still love Starbucks, I still go to Starbucks, but I just modify it so that it's not as sweet and sugary. And now I'm just going to pour my milk in. And you can see how much it fills up with the ice and everything, just to give you guys a little better point of view. And now I'm going to brew my 2 Altisio pods and pour it on top of my milk. Now I'm going to just take my straw and mix everything together, put my lid on. Look at how amazing it looks. Wow. Alright guys, I'm all done with my coffee. It's so good, and you can see all that foam, still so perfect. Let's taste test. Cheers. You see, it's not like that much. Like, I didn't fill it up all the way. Like I said, I don't really like too much ice. Wow, it is amazing, and it's like the perfect amount of vanilla flavored. So it's like a vanilla iced latte at home, better than Starbucks. I said it. So amazing. If you guys have an espresso, please try the Altisio pods to make yourself a latte. It's also really good hot, but having it as an iced latte is like really amazing, even more. So please try that and let me know how you guys like it, or let me know any other recommendations or any other recipes that you guys do to make your iced latte or iced coffee. I have a video that I want to do coming up, so stay tuned. It's all about like my favorite coffees just in general, not an iced one. That's why I wanted to do this one as like a separate video. It was also really easy, as you guys saw. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below your favorite iced coffee, iced latte, macchiato, whatever, down below, because as you can tell, I love coffee, and let's talk about it down in the comments. I'm going to end off the video right here, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this fun, different video on my channel. I love coffee, and I just love sharing with you guys everything that I love, so you guys can go and try it too, and also to get you guys' input and your suggestions, because I love trying new things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you go and make yourself a nice iced latte, iced coffee, whatever you guys love. Go and make it for yourselves, because you deserve it on this beautiful day. Well, it's a beautiful day over here, but regardless, go and enjoy yourself something nice to drink, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click the post notifications so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Also, my next coffee video coming very soon, and share my channel so we can continue to grow, because we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Super exciting. But I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.